Question 1. What is Amazon Neptune? The correct answer is B, fully managed graph database. Question 2. What type of database is Neptune? The correct answer is B, graph database. Question 3. What are graph databases used for? The correct answer is B, highly connected data and relationships. Question 4. What query languages does Neptune support? The correct answer is B, Gremlin and SPARQL. Question 5. What is Gremlin? The correct answer is B, graph traversal language for property graphs. Question 6. What is SPARQL? The correct answer is B, query language for RDF graphs. Question 7. What graph models does Neptune support? The correct answer is B, property graph and RDF. Question 8. What is a property graph? The correct answer is B, graph with nodes, edges, and properties. Question 9. What is RDF? The correct answer is B, resource description framework for semantic data. Question 10. Is Neptune fully managed? The correct answer is B, yes, AWS manages infrastructure. Question 11. Does Neptune support high availability? The correct answer is B, yes, multi-AWS with read replicas. Question 12. How many read replicas can Neptune have? The correct answer is B, up to 15 read replicas. Question 13. Does Neptune replicate data across AWSs? The correct answer is B, yes, 6 copies across 3 AWSs. Question 14. What is Neptune's storage architecture? The correct answer is B, shared cluster storage volume. Question 15. Does Neptune storage autoscale? The correct answer is B, yes, up to 128 terabytes automatically. Question 16. What is the minimum storage? The correct answer is B, 10 gigabytes. Question 17. Does Neptune support automatic backups? The correct answer is B, yes, continuous backup to S3. Question 18. What is the backup retention period? The correct answer is B, up to 35 days. Question 19. Can you restore to a point in time? The correct answer is B, yes, within retention period. Question 20. Does Neptune support snapshots? The correct answer is B, yes, manual snapshots. Question 21. Can you share snapshots across accounts? The correct answer is B, yes, share manual snapshots. Question 22. Does Neptune encrypt data? The correct answer is B, yes, at rest and in transit. Question 23. What encryption does Neptune use? The correct answer is B, AWS KMS for at rest, TLS for in transit. Question 24. Can you enable encryption after creation? The correct answer is B, no, must enable at creation. Question 25. Does Neptune support VPC? The correct answer is B, yes, runs in VPC. Question 26. Can Neptune be publicly accessible? The correct answer is B, no, VPC only, can configure public access. Question 27. Does Neptune support IAM authentication? The correct answer is B, yes, IAM database authentication. Question 28. What is Neptune Streams? The correct answer is B, change data capture stream. Question 29. Can you track graph changes with streams? The correct answer is B, yes, real-time change notifications. Question 30. What is Neptune ML? The correct answer is B, machine learning on graph data. Question 31. Does Neptune ML integrate with SageMaker? The correct answer is B, yes, uses SageMaker for training. Question 32. What ML tasks does Neptune ML support? The correct answer is B, node classification, link prediction, etc. Question 33. Can you perform graph analytics? The correct answer is B, yes, with Neptune Analytics. Question 34. What is Neptune Analytics? The correct answer is B, Fast Graph Analytics Engine. Question 35. Does Neptune support ACID transactions? The correct answer is B, yes, full ACID compliance. Question 36. What is the Neptune endpoint? The correct answer is B, cluster endpoint for read/write operations. Question 37. What is a reader endpoint? The correct answer is B, load balanced endpoint for read replicas. Question 38. Can you monitor Neptune? The correct answer is B, yes, CloudWatch metrics and logs. Question 39. What metrics are available? The correct answer is B, CPU, memory, storage, queries, connections. Question 40. Does Neptune support audit logging? The correct answer is B, yes, audit logs to CloudWatch. Question 41. Can you upgrade Neptune engine versions? The correct answer is B, yes, with maintenance windows. Question 42. Does Neptune support cross-region replication? The correct answer is B, yes, global database feature. Question 43. What is Neptune Global Database? The correct answer is B, cross-region replication for DR and low latency. Question 44. Can you bulk load data into Neptune? The correct answer is B, yes, from S3 using bulk loader. Question 45. What formats does bulk loader support? The correct answer is B, CSV, RDF formats, turtle, and triples. Question 46. What are common Neptune use cases? The correct answer is B, social networks, fraud detection, knowledge graphs. Question 47. Can Neptune handle recommendation engines? The correct answer is B, yes, relationship-based recommendations. Question 48. Is Neptune good for fraud detection? The correct answer is B, yes, pattern detection in connected data. Question 49. Can Neptune build knowledge graphs? The correct answer is B, yes, semantic relationships and ontologies. Question 50. What is Neptune pricing based on? The correct answer is B, instance hours, storage, I/O requests. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.